Hi there, this is a tutorial on how to sign up for Remind with Mr. Klapp's classes and sports. So if you're interested in signing up, the first thing you need to do is make sure you know what your code is. So here you'll notice are the different codes for astronomy, biology, and honors biology, as well as Read Wrestling. So if you want to sign up, take note of the code and go ahead and sign up. So the easy way to do it is just to text into Remind. And so just open your messaging app and create a new message. And for the number, you're just going to type in 81010. And this is true for all Remind classes. When you text in the next thing, it's going to be your actual code. And so say I'm signing up for Read Wrestling, I'll type in @audeques. And once I do that, I say send. And it doesn't take very long. I got a little alert here. And then it'll come back in just a second here, telling me that I've joined Read Wrestling. And I can go ahead and type in any number I need at that 81010 number. If I want to sign up for Klapp Honors Bio, I'll type in the code for that. And in just a second or so, it'll come back and tell me that I signed up for that class as well. Pretty easy to sign up. Not a whole lot of work there. If you want, and probably if you're going to sign up for Remind in a lot of classes, what you're going to want to do is pick up the Remind app. And the Remind app is simple to use too. It'll send you some default questions here, so it takes a little bit longer to get going, but it's another way to do it. Using Remind keeps you in contact. You can send individual messages to your teachers. There's a lot you can do with Remind once you actually sign up. But the first step is signing up.